My name is Dealer Shook. I am the information collector. The EPA has announced a war. My name is Dealer Shook, and I am the information collector. Potential spaceport in Michigan. Send my condolences to the people of Kuwait. My name is Dealer Shook, and I am the information collector. Today I'm coming to you from Old Fort, North Carolina. An amazing community. It's the classic American town. Today's show is sponsored by my ebook, The Spy Who Came In From the Rain. You can read 11% of it online for free. Stay tuned. Beginning at the start of the year, we will have a whole set of new changes to the broadcast. Beginning this week's domestic private intelligence from around the United States. President Donald Trump signed several bills on Christmas Eve. In a White House press release, the president listed several bills he had signed, including the Fallen Journalist Memorial Act, honoring journalists who sacrificed their lives in the cause of free press. The Department of Homeland Security Opioid Detection Resilience Act, requiring Customs and Border Patrol to implement chemical screening devices to detect opioids, or, in other words, tricorders. And the Identifying Outputs of Generative Adversarial Networks Act, or this is designed to counter the video and audios known as deep fakes, which are rapidly becoming a serious issue. In Alabama, Auburn University declared this a banner year for research. In a Christmas Eve press release, they announced $74 million of awards during the past year. This places them in the top 10% of all institutions. $4 million for Department of Defense Manufacturing Systems Research program. $3 million from the FAA for an additive manufacturing research program. $2.5 million from the National Institutes of Health for cancer immunotherapy research. They have 5 areas at the heart of their research portfolio: advanced manufacturing and materials, cybersecurity and intelligence, intelligent systems, energy and environment, infrastructure and transportation, and biomedical and health systems engineering. December 24th, Home Depot announced the acquisition of HD Supply, a maintenance, repair, and operations distributor. The Atlanta-based home improvement store paid $8 billion for the company, which has over 300,000 customers, 44 distribution centers, 5,500 employees. This is a big move for Home Depot into the $55 billion MRO marketplace. Home Depot's current revenue runs at $110 billion, and they have 400,000 employees. On the 21st of December, Verizon announced a partnership with Deloitte to expand 5G and mobile edge computing applications. This is a partnership that will push 5G mobile edge computing for manufacturing and retail, and eventually other companies. It pairs Deloitte's expertise with Verizon's network. It turns the manufacturing into real-time enterprises using 5G, artificial intelligence with the cloud, computer vision, and sensor-based detection. Deloitte seeks to use advanced wireless as a force multiplier to unlock the potential of other technologies. On December 22nd, the Department of Energy Advanced Reactor Demonstration Program chose 3 teams to advance with $20 million in funds. First, the Advanced Reactor Concepts of Herndon, Virginia received $35 million award to work on a seismically isolated advanced sodium-cooled reactor. Second, General Atomics of San Diego was chosen for a $31 million Fast Modular Reactor Concept Award. The key metrics measured here will be fuel, safety, and performance. And finally, MIT will mature modular integrated gas-cooled high-temperature reactors. They will take it from pre-conceptual to concept. And for this, they will receive $5 million in award money. And that is this week's private intelligence from around the nation, from Old Fort, North Carolina. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.